Assalamualaikum, grade 7. Faiza Nadeem is here with your English lesson. And Faiza Nadeem always wishes and prays for your health and safety. I hope the best for you, not only in this world, but in the eternal world, the hereafter as well. और आप सब भी मुझे अपनी दुआओं में याद रखना, ठीक है? So what we are going to do today, I'm going to tell you within a second. Come with me and let's discover what today's lecture is all about. Yes, my dear children, what is the board telling you? The board is telling you that we are going to write an essay on my favorite teacher. All of you must have one of the teachers who is your favorite. But I'm sure that favorite teacher of yours is the one who gives you the most games lessons, है ना? जो डांटती भी नहीं है, हंसती खेलती रहती है ना? मुझे सब पता है. तो आज हम लिखेंगे माय फेवरेट टीचर के ऊपर एक एसे. और ये एसे बेटा होगा आपका रिफ्लेक्टिव एसे. रिफ्लेक्टिव एसे कौन सा होता है? रिफ्लेक्टिव एसे वो होता है जिसमें आप अपने रिफ्लेक्शंस बताएं, ठीक है? जो आपके थॉट्स हैं, जो आपके आइडियाज हैं, आप उनको बताएं कि व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक, व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन अबाउट दिस स्पेसिफिक कॉन्सेप्ट, और व्हाट इज योर पर्सनल फीलिंग रिगार्डिंग दिस स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक. सबसे पहले जो आपका इंट्रोडक्टरी पैराग्राफ होगा, वो पैराग्राफ हमेशा डील करेगा एक कोटेशन के साथ, ठीक है? जो आपका इंट्रोडक्टरी पैराग्राफ आप लिखोगे उसमें आप एक कोटेशन दे सकते हो इन ऑर्डर टू डिस्क्राइब द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ अ टीचर इन एवरीबडीज लाइफ, ठीक है? मैंने आपके लिए कोटेशन लिख दी है ऑन द टॉप और एक कोटेशन लिख दी है एट द एंड ऑफ द बोर्ड, ठीक है? ऑन दिस बोर्ड. अब आप क्या कर सकते हो? दो तरह से शुरू कर सकते हो. आप या तो इस कोटेशन से शुरू करो, थोड़ी सी एक्सप्लेनेशन दो जो मैं यहाँ आपको क्लैरिफाई करूंगी, उसके बाद इस कोटेशन से अपना इंट्रोडक्टरी पैराग्राफ एंड करो एंड देन मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. या आप इंट्रोडक्टरी पैराग्राफ दो, सिर्फ एक कोटेशन दो और उसके बाद मूव ऑन टू द और कंटिन्यू द क्रिएटिव राइटिंग, ठीक है? पहली कोटेशन आपकी ये है कि द टीचर्स आर द वंस हु प्लांट द सीड्स ऑफ नॉलेज, स्प्रिंकल देम एंड पेशेंटली नर्चर्स देयर ग्रोथ टू प्रोड्यूस टुमारोज ड्रीम्स. टीचर्स वो लोग होते हैं जो नॉलेज के सीड्स आपके दिमाग में प्लांट करते हैं, फिर उस पौधे को पानी देते हैं और फिर देखते हैं कि वो जो उन्होंने बीज बोए थे नॉलेज के, वो बड़े होके कितने बड़े दरख्त बन जाते हैं, मैं बन जाती हूँ. ऑब्वियसली मेरा भी तो कोई टीचर होगा. नेल्सन मंडेला बन जाता है, ऑब्वियसली उसका भी कोई टीचर होगा. कायद आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना बन जाते हैं, सुल्तान सलाहुद्दीन अय्यूबी बन जाते हैं, नूरुद्दीन संगी बन जाते हैं. उनके भी तो कोई ना कोई टीचर होंगे ना. तो ये सब बड़े बड़े लोग, इनके भी कोई ना कोई उस्ताद तो होंगे ना. तो ये वो चीज़ें हैं, ये वो लोग हैं जो आपको वो बनाते हैं जो आप आगे अपनी फर्दर जिंदगी में बनते हो. इसके बाद आप ये कहोगे कि द टीचर्स आर द फर्स्ट इंस्पिरेशन ऑफ एनी चाइल्ड. द टीचर इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन who inspires the child towards the progress, towards the success. The teachers are the mentors or the guides of every small baby. The teachers basically guide you towards your destiny. The teachers basically prove themselves to be your role models with their eloquent way of speaking, with their smart lifestyle, with their intelligence, with their excessive learning. They inspire you to learn more, to do better, to be somebody greater in your future. The teacher not only teaches you what is present in your curriculum, but they teach you the moral values as well. They instill the moral values in your mind and your body as well. आप घर में तो वो हार्डली आधा दिन होते हो, बाकी दिन तो सो रहे होते हो. 7-8 hours आप स्कूल में स्पेंड करते हो under the eye of a teacher, an observant eye of the teacher. You can even add that to the first introductory paragraph, that we spend 7 to 8 hours under the observatory eye of a teacher, under the observation of the teacher, and then she finds out what is wrong with us, and then she discovers our loopholes, our weaknesses, and then she tones them down without expecting anything in the return, without needing anything in the return. So I can clearly say that teachers are the ones who can pull out individuals from the darkness of ignorance to the light of the knowledge. ठीक है, ये हो गया आपका introductory paragraph. Let's move on to the second paragraph. थोड़ी थोड़ी चीजें लिखी हुई है मैंने, थोड़ी थोड़ी मैं आपको वर्बली बताऊंगी. इंट्रोडक्टरी मैंने पूरा आपको पढ़ के, नॉट ओनली पढ़ के बल्कि पूरा वर्बली सुना दिया है. आपका सेकेंड पैराग्राफ शुरू होगा, एवरीवन हैज अ टीचर इन हिज और हर ओन लाइफ हु हैड इंस्पायर्ड हिम और हर, हु हैड मेड हिम फील ऑड, हु हैड बीन द रोल मॉडल ऑफ देयर लाइफ. Likewise, my favorite teacher is such and such. He or she teaches me this specific subject. Alright, for an example, I'll pick up the subject of history. I'm not picking up English because that will become, like, that would make me somebody who wants to talk about herself, right? So let me pick out the subject of history. My favorite teacher was such and such. Okay, let's use my name. My favorite teacher is Miss Faiza Nadeem, and she used to teach her history, right? She had not only been my mentor, but she had been a guide to all the problems that I had faced in my life. She had been a role model because of her hard work and diligence, because of her unending smile, because of her mild temper. I also learned to face the hardships with a smile on my face, right? Then you can go on describing the teacher. Okay, you can describe her age, her physical appearance, and describe something that cannot be seen with the naked eye, something that is hidden, something that can be felt, right? You can say that Faiza Nadeem was a robust person, and she was always busy in one project or two. She was, okay, whatever age you want or you think I am in, right? So she was this years old, and she was a stout, plump woman with a smile on her face always and always, but her eyes twinkled with intelligence. This is what you cannot see with the naked eye. This is something that you can feel, okay? So her eyes twinkled with intelligence, and the smile on her face assisted everybody, helped everybody to go up to her, to ask her for help, because she was a very good listener. She would listen to each and every itchy bitchy problem a person could have. And what the miraculous thing was that she would help them out, come out of their problems, right? And then you can describe the way of teaching. Miss Faiza had a very unique style of teaching. She did not believe on teaching the curriculum or academics only. She would bring out topics out of the curriculum. She would give us tasks that would not only increase our knowledge regarding the curriculum, but would help us in building up of our general knowledge as well. Miss Faiza was a strong believer of having a good general knowledge. So she would discuss the current affairs. She would bring things up that would help us think out of the box, that would help us in getting what the world is going on about, right? And then about the subject. Her history subject were never boring. She would make them interesting with a lot of teaching aids, whether they are movies, whether they are multimedia presentations, whether they were dramas, whether they were mimes, but we would do something extraordinary in that ordinary history class that would make it very interesting. Then his or her discussions were this is what you have written in paragraph 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, this is paragraph 3. Let's move on to paragraph 4. Her discussions were always educative, exciting. She would give us not the literary references to each and every event of the past, but she would practically show us those events as well. Her baritone voice and her dramatic expressions had always made the lessons very interesting. We would never have a dull moment in her life. And then you can end up or write the conclusion by saying that I think I have adopted a lot of her qualities to my everyday life. Whoever comes around me, whoever is around me praises me for my general knowledge, praises me with the knowledge of current affairs, and appreciates my tolerance, which I had learned from my favorite teacher. That's it. ठीक है? So we did the creative writing. मैंने आपको 2 quotes दिए जो beginning of the paragraph में है, और उसके बाद पूरी creative writing helping words और phrases के साथ रीड करके सुनाई. आप क्या कर सकते हैं, आप इस वाले जो कोट को है इसको कंक्लूजन में यूज कर ले. ठीक है? एंड आई हैव लर्नड टॉलरेंस फ्रॉम माय टीचर. Somebody has rightly said that teachers are the ones who can pull an individual from the darkness of ignorance to the light of knowledge. You can end with this and start with this, right? And within the body you can carry all these instructions, you can carry all this knowledge. फायजा नदीम को इजाज़त दो बेटा और बिटिया. Inshallah we'll see each other again with a fresh new English lesson. By the time it's I signing off. Sayonara.